What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Jay. I'm back in this thing, man. I want to wish you guys peace, love, and prosperity in your life times 10. If you guys don't mind hitting that like button on your way in, we could begin. So, what I want to talk about is the third eye. The third eye and how significant and how underused uh, it is within the whole masses of us as a people. And how that if we get once you get in touch with your third eye, you can start to see the truth. Now the thing is, sometimes they say that the truth hurts, and they say that how can I say the truth will set you free, which is true, right? So the reason why I want to bring this up and why it is so important. Let me switch to this to the screen so I can see what's going on. Why the third eye is so important. First of all, the third eye is for those who don't know, it's the sixth chakra, um, right above the throat chakra. Is right here, right above the throat chakra and right below the crown. And once you tap into the third eye, it does come with some perks. It really depends on how you look at it. For some people, may not like it. Some people like it. For me, I like it because one of the things that I have personally come across with having my third eye being open is presence. Now, when I mean presence, hold on, I'm skipping. I'm sorry. We're gonna get to that. I want to say that your third eye is the key to different dimensions. I'm gonna put that out there first, right? So for someone who just into the 3D realm, and that's all they can see with these two, um, someone else can tap into this third and actually see and hear and feel what's not normally seen or felt. It's there. It is 100% there. It's just that people who can only see through these two can't really feel it, or maybe not be as sensitive. But for people that are psychic empath or Pisces or water signs, like might be a little bit more sensitive to it, and they can pick up on it. And especially speaking for me from experience. So um, I'm trying to remember what I was just about to tell y'all about. Give me a second. So once it's the window of the soul, and then I said that. Oh yeah. So like, it can be a dimension parallel with the earth. So let's say if I could see, like, let's say me and you walking on a trail, right? This is actually training your third eye. If you can visualize what I'm saying, it's the mind's eye. So visualize what I'm saying right now, of course. So let's say me and you walking down a path. It's late at night, right? And I can keep seeing something either on the corner of my eye or directly seeing it, you know, just pushing through pushing bushes. Like you can see something rattling the leaves and stuff, like just moving them around. But the person next to me who doesn't have that third eye open may not see that, right? Not saying that this actually happened, but I'm putting it as an example, of course. And you notice it, right? And you tell the person on the left of you or the right, whatever, that there's something over there, or you can see it moving the bushes, right? And the other person can't see it at all. So what I want to tell you is, for those, like, saying y'all both looking at the same time, right? And it happens, and you see it clear as day. You see it. The other person, they don't see it. They're kind of lost for words. I mean, yeah, like on what you want them to say about what you see. You know what I mean? This is what I'm trying to tell you. You have parallel dimensions, and with that third eye, you can tap in to certain dimensions. Now the thing is, with the third eye, I believe that a lot of times it can be a 50-50 thing. If whatever's around you wants it to be known that you're there, I mean that they're there, they actually might, expose themselves towards you, or you might actually accidentally just be picking up that vibration. Like, oh, like you might just, because only you can only see what you're on the vibration of when it comes to the third eye. So if you're living a more negative lifestyle, you're gonna only be able to pick up on this side. You know what I mean, of the vibration and higher. You know what I mean. So in a nutshell, I want to tell you guys build the foundation of your chakras. Your lower chakras are just as important as your higher chakras, even though they believe that the from the heart there's because there's several chakra points from the heart down. They believe that it's more of the negative spectrum, or I would say the 3D material in a way. I'm trying to find a way to explain it. Yeah. So negative from the heart down, not the heart down, from the heart chakra. The three down is negative. The three up is positive, and it deals for the human body. It would be the three down being more physical on the 3D dealing around when it comes to your emotions and self your self ego in a certain way of who you are and that separation. And then when you get to past the heart chakra, you deal with more of the spiritual and connecting into all and understanding that all is one. You know what I mean? And then because once you have your third open, you can actually pick up on these things and understand that there's other realms and other dimensions within your dimension, right? But then you understand when you get to your crown that all is one, and that y'all all are connected in some type of way, and you all are the same thing, just in different vessels, right? Having different experiences, living through different perspectives, having and kind of seeing different dimensions, creating through thought. I hope I didn't go too far off on that, but why this is important to you to tap in is because there's a major conscious shift, and that's going on right now. That started about 2018. And for those who don't have their third eye open, it can be a bad or a good thing depending on who you are as a person. Uh, but I would say if you're not hip to what's really going on right now and what's happening with the world, I would say open it, but be conscious of what you may have balance and not balance when it comes to open that third eye. So one of the things I did was to build a foundation within my lower chakras. I'm still doing semen retention. I'm like base 100 something, lost count. Um, and what I do, I let that energy just become as potent as they would say, to where it because it's your life essence. So let that life essence become potent and use it as a foundation that I can rise my kundalini up to where my kundalini energy up to my third eye, to where I can have these abilities to peep certain things out. Which for me, that's what I personally want. But not everybody wants what I want or wants what you want. So that's why I say it depends on the person. I hope you guys can hear me too. Let me make sure that we rocking with the microphone. I would have done this live, but I just feel like it'll be more personal right here. If y'all watching this, man, hit that like button and comment if you want to see these lives, and hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you can, you know, be put on when I do these type of videos, because I will keep spreading the truth and the peace and the love to people and awakening minds as much as I can. I mean, I know I'm putting here for that, so thank y'all for tuning in, man. It's just a little bit going on with the third eye, and how to another thing. If you want to activate your third eye, you can. This is actually a strange one for me to even actually explain this, because my third eye opened without me really even knowing. You feel me? And it scared. I ain't gonna say it scared me, but I wasn't balanced on my lower chakras, so I saw whatever I was on vibration with, and it wasn't the best experience at the time. But one of the things is you're gonna have to lose fear of death, like in Like you can't live your life in fear whatsoever. That's the lowest vibration. Once you get past death is a fearful thing and look at it as a transition, you will ascend past the lower realms. You know what I mean? If that's what you're looking for, I know personally some people that want to dwell in the lower realms, and I mean that's cool. That's what they want to do. You know what I mean? It's no certain way you're supposed to live your life here. It is just the thoughts and the actions that you participate in is gonna kind of lead to where what next realm you want to go to, and whether it be a higher conscious realm or a lower conscious realm where it's just all physical, no mental, or all mental and no physical. You know what I mean? Well, because I believe the next realm will be just as spiritual, just a lower vibration. You know what I mean? Because on this round, we are all, it's like the masquerade round where we are all physical. You know what I'm saying? So stop looking at yourself as, this is how you open your third eye. Stop looking at yourself as a human having a spiritual experience and look at yourself as a spirit having a human experience. Like you came to this realm to learn something and to get to another level of consciousness. You were put here for a purpose by your will. You came here on your own. Your spirit came here to learn something. Believe it or not, believe it, you are here to learn something. I can't tell you exactly what because we're all put here for different reasons. So, definitely tap into that third, man. Symbolism, esoteric knowledge when it comes to reading with the mind's eye. Some things you can't explain with just logic. You just got to look at the symbology of it, and whatever it looks like to you can personally be what you take from it, and it might be mean a lot to you. This is what like art goes into. When you ever go to those art museums and people just looking up like, oh, all right, I see something. You know what I mean? And you be looking at them like, what the hell is he been sitting there for like 30 minutes looking at whatever. You know what I mean? Um, just I feel like everybody should at least open the third eyes, but they open their third eye. But this is what I tell you. Please make sure that you're balanced on your lower chakras, which means that you're not overindulged in whatever you're doing, just keeping yourself balanced. So anything like for your lower chakras, like lust, like don't really be lusting for anything. Like you should be trying to be your best version on this earth. No matter if you want to be, well, you can, like I said, for me, it's me being my best version and making sure that I'm balanced on the lower levels to where I'm not over lusting for something or I'm depleting my energy for those who people what I'm talking about on that, and just making sure that I'm solid, have a foundation at the bottom and balance, and I'm not flipping here and there through energies and vibrations. You know what I mean? Because you can be lined up on so many of them and then not be lined up in the lower round, and you're gonna start seeing some extra stuff, you know what I mean, that really you don't want to see, or you might think this is what it's like when you open your third eye, but really your chakras just unbalanced. So balance your chakras, and you can tell by just pay attention to what you're doing. Be self-aware about what you're doing and look at, okay, am I doing something that's unbalanced? Like paying attention to every single thing you do throughout a daily basis that might be lining up, unbalancing your chakras. And if you want to know how to level out your chakras in certain ways, like I say, balance your chakras so that you can ascend past that and see the world for what it really is and to live on a higher level of conscious. I can drop certain videos that explain deeper ways how to get into that. Just get at me. Like I say, leave a comment in there, man. And I don't want to hold y'all long. Just a little dropping a little knowledge here, man. Just dripping. Hey, I want to learn some things from y'all too, man. Drop some things in the comments, or if you seen a video or of someone that may be speaking about what I'm speaking here, put it in the comment, man. I'm always trying to learn and expand my knowledge on things and look at it from different perspectives, because I might be looking at it from a more difficult perspective. You know what I mean? So thank y'all for tuning in. It's your boy Jay. I want to wish you guys peace, love, and prosperity in your lifetime. 10, Thank y'all, man. Peace.